Yo,
Yo, what's good?
what is it?
Yo, bro, pull up to the stool.
Pull up to the studio.
Yes, nigga.
Man, I got you, car. I'm on my way right now. Come on.
They said I was gon' make it, I did it. Play with you get put on a fitted. GBG, baby, yeah, bitch, I'm a minute. She wanna fuck, bitch, give me a minute. I'm a W, I'm a up in it vlog. Me and my kid, we gon' keep to the law. She steady, I'm calling my phone. I keep telling her, leave me alone. How about I get it, nobody can know. GBG, baby, bitch, I'm gonna throw. Give me my money, or get on the floor. Play on my kid, we gon' aim at your hoe.
Throwing shots, bullets rip through his clothes. If you don't know, nigga, you better know. Now from right here, you gotta go. Everything down when I open my pole. Back out the knocks, damn. Back out the knocks, let that bitch blow. 4 falls hit him, left a big ass hole. Like, and we still flick at your bros.
Bitch, my dicky, yeah, she really like it. Savages too is gon' aim while you type it. Look, chasing a bitch, yeah, he wanna fight me. Okay, you wanna fight, then I'll put it on bitch. Like you suck at your own man, you a bitch. Nobody like you, bitch, you not the shit. I'm on that back in the car, bitch. Everywhere I go, I walk on my grip.
Like, that nigga chasing a bitch. Why wouldn't I caught you, your dumbass ran Rick? Like, you know I'll be fucking this bitch. Back out the knocks, I'ma dunk to the clip. Like, don't run, don't trip. Everything dead when I walk and I strip. Back out the knocks and that nigga ran Rick. Like, and I just shot at his hip.
Hey, yo, Jason, you a bitch. I remember who had you running ring. Beam on his back, make her talk to her. Beam on his back, make her talk to her. I like that bitch, I'ma up in it floor. Don't fuck on that bitch because she is a thought. Get in the car, we gon' make that bitch pop. All of my dollars go straight to his top.
Yeah, dummy got hit in his leg. Nah, fuck that, he got hit in his head. All the niggas saw was his dreads. Back at the knocks and them niggas all fled. Just fucking passed it to my mans. Back at the knocks and them niggas all dance. Caught him lacking again, made him pick up his pants. Like, why the fuck they all ran? Back at the knock, made them little niggas dance. Why the fuck did you run on your mans?
Everything down when I up in it plan. Get it jiggy, I'm doing my dance. All of my options, they really my fans. Gotta chop up, they dissing my mans. Everything down when I what? Everything down when I up in it plan.
Glock with a switch on the back. Tryna leave that boy head in his lap. Little dummy shoulda never lacked. 2-3 shots, they gon' rip to his back. When I up, that nigga ran flat. 4-5 shots, they gon' hit him in his head. Little dummy got knocked off his dreads. 4-5 shots, they gon' hit him in his leg.
I'm dropping the falls, that's okay. Me and you, not the same. Can't no matter gon' fall. Yo, just know I know you on hearts. It ain't like got put in a box. Me and Gabe, we don't fuck with the vlogs. If he tough, we gon' have to vlog.
Little boy, you don't want a box. Back out the knock and I made that boy drop. 2-3 went straight to his top. 2-3 shots that lead that boy dead. Yeah, dummy got hit in his head.